Hey you guys, happy Wednesday. I switched it up a little bit. Yeah, pushing myself out of my comfort zone. So did a walk on today, and I'm also going to show you guys what I will be eating for breakfast. I made another quiche last night. It was a little different, so I will show you all that once I get showered up and get dressed for work. But I will check back in with you all in a few minutes. Bye. Okay guys, right here, this is what I am eating for breakfast. I don't eat breakfast until 12 because I also do the intermittent fasting. But this is a quiche. It has spinach, kale, onion, and bell pepper. Yes, and of course this is my water that I am drinking. But that is all that I put into the quiche this time. No cheese or no meat. And these are my end results, you guys. Keep praying and keep pushing.